Hey there, we're at it again, another installment of our at-home mixology series coming to you from Durham, North Carolina here at Alley 26. I'm Shannon Healy, and right now I'm going to be making you a drink called No Thanks, I'm Driving. And it is a alcohol-free cocktail. It can be amended if you need be, but we like to make alcohol-free cocktails, and we have a section on the menu, and we like to make them all so they kind of taste complicated and they look as if you're having any other kind of cocktail. You just happen to have no alcohol in yours because maybe, no thanks, you're driving. So here we go. We're going to start with an ounce of orange juice, and an ounce of lime. Need a lot of acidity there to balance a really nice selection of sweeter ingredients. This is half an ounce of unsweetened pineapple juice, half an ounce of our Alley 26 Passionfruit syrup, and half an ounce of the raspberry. As with all our syrups, go ahead and give them a little quick shake or spin them around and make sure everything's nice and integrated. So in this glass right now, I have an ounce of lime juice, an ounce of fresh orange juice, half an ounce of unsweetened pineapple, half an ounce of passion fruit syrup, and a half an ounce of the raspberry syrup, both the syrups we make here at Alley 26. Okay, so we got a nice cold glass here. We're gonna go ahead and shake our ingredients in this glass, and I'm gonna find some of my prettiest cubes for this glass. I like to select the cubes a little in tension when I'm making a drink on the rocks, because people are gonna be looking at them the whole time. I also like to, if I'm gonna add soda water to a cocktail, I'm gonna add about 3 ounces to this one. I like to put it on the bottom in a cold glass with ice. The bubbles stay in the liquid at temperature. So I like to add the soda at the bottom, because this drink, the liquid ingredients are heavier, so they're gonna force their way down and push the bubbles up. So it's gonna work fine. A quick 8 shake there. And a cocktail? No thanks, I'm driving. Enjoy.